it's July 1st, and today is our very first read aloud for the month of July. And I chose the book Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tad Bentley. He's the author. My little girl absolutely loves this book, and we love penguins, but we don't necessarily like getting the hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? What did you do to get rid of the hiccups? It's really hard for me to get rid of the hiccups, but we'll find out what the penguin does in this story. Looks like he's eating a bowl of chili. Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give a penguin chili. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Roar! Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you ever so much. Let's celebrate with a nice, spicy taco. Oh dear. I guess they'll be making another book about how you shouldn't eat spicy tacos if you're a penguin. If you enjoyed this book, or if you've read books this week that you want to share with us, please comment below this video. Also, you'll find the link for our Aspire reading log, and it's in the link below this video as well. If you'll just click on it, and you can record this book if you listen to this read aloud today. And remember that this month we'll be doing tons of read alouds every single day by different readers that have been on the book bus this year or throughout the summers. And I hope you guys have a great day and keep reading. Bye!